Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I would like to share and review my ideas of working the Legos. Right, my other creation. Okay, let's go. I'm stuck. Huh? Alright, so I call it the bird. Still having the robot mode and the animal mode. The head can be moved, and also the legs, the joint. Okay, so the arms, the other arms, and the wings can be moved also. Okay, this space, do you remember? I used this space to put the Lego into here, and he changed into the robot. Okay, so turn the robot, turn the head, straight the legs, straight the other legs, the arms. Okay, the arms, okay, here, and this one bring up, and this one press up, open this one close the tail. Okay, change into the robot mode. So you put the one here. Okay, oops. Okay, okay, change into the animal bag. This one, open this one, open this one. Okay, the wings, and bring back the arm, right, the tail straight, this one. Okay, this one, bring up the head one, bend the knees, and some more, then into the animal, into the bird. Okay, so like, share and subscribe my channel to see more video, and if you like, okay, don't forget to see my other creation. Okay, goodbye.